Mastering the use of when as a relative adverb in English. Hello and welcome back, dear learners. In today's video, we're going to focus on a very important aspect of English language learning: relative adverbs. Specifically, we'll dive into the use of the word when as a relative adverb. We'll explore how it's used to connect clauses and enrich your sentences. Let's get started. Before we delve into our main topic, it's crucial to understand what relative adverbs are. Relative adverbs are words that introduce relative clauses. They are used to connect information that is related to a noun already mentioned, without having to repeat that noun. These adverbs usually refer to a time, a place, or a reason. Today, we'll focus on when, which is used to refer to a time. Now let's dive into the heart of our topic, using when as a relative adverb. When is a very versatile word in English, but as a relative adverb, it refers to the time something happens or happened. It connects two pieces of information, which are related through a specific time or event. For example, in the sentence, "I remember the day when we first met," when connects the day, the noun, with the event, we first met, thereby adding more context and meaning. We know that examples can really clarify things, so let's see some sentences where when is used as a relative adverb. 1. Summer is the time when flowers bloom. 2. Do you recall the moment when you won the award? 3. 2007 was the year when I graduated from university. 4. My birthday is the day when I feel most loved. In all these sentences, when introduces a relative clause, providing more information about a certain time or event. To help you grasp this concept better, let's do a quick exercise. Try to complete these sentences with your own relative clauses using when. 1. Blank is the season when blank. 2. Blank was the day when blank. 3. Blank is the time when blank. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that brings us to the end of this video. Remember, using when as a relative adverb can greatly enhance your English sentence structure and expressiveness. We hope this video has been useful, and we encourage you to practice what you've learned today. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing. Remember, learning English is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Until next time, happy learning!